Title: Two Girls and Their Magical Dolls. Once upon a time in a sunny little town, two best friends named Lily and Maya loved playing with their dolls every afternoon under a big old oak tree. Lily had a doll named Bella, with curly golden hair, and Maya had a doll named Lila, with a sparkling pink dress. One day, as they were brushing their doll's hair, a soft breeze blew through the tree, and something amazing happened. Bella blinked. Lily gasped. "Did you see that?" Maya nodded, wide-eyed. Lila just smiled at me. Suddenly, their dolls stood up and started talking. "We're magic dolls," Bella said with a giggle. "You believed in us, so now we can play too." The girls were thrilled. They played tea party, danced in circles, and even built a little fairy house out of leaves and flowers with the dolls' help. As the sun began to set, the dolls yawned. "It's time for us to rest," said Lila. "But we'll be back whenever you use your imagination." With a blink, the dolls returned to normal. Lily and Maya looked at each other and smiled. "Let's never stop believing," said Maya. "Never ever," Lily agreed. And from that day on, every time they played, the dolls came to life in their imaginations, bringing joy, laughter, and a sprinkle of magic to their world. The end.